Welcome back to Restore to Explore. Today we're going to be getting the floor pans in, getting the rust repairs done around the windshield and a couple of other things. I've already got one of the floor pans almost in, so let's check that out. So as you can see, I've cut out that rusty bit of floor there. And the new piece will essentially sit like that. It needs a bit more trimming around here, so I'm just going to go and trim and get it as close as I can so that this is a nice snug fit. And then once I've done that and I have rust converted all of the edges around where all of the rusty bits used to be, sanded it down, primed it, then we'll be able to just weld this new one in. Do the same for the other side. This is actually going to be quite an easy repair once we get it all cut out, just because obviously right size piece. As long as we make the cuts in the car in the right spots, it'll be super easy to weld. All right, so that floor panel is actually all welded in now. I just need to go tidy up a couple of the welds, do a couple more across the front, and then I'm just going to clean up this whole area, give a bit of a prime where it's back to bare metal, seam sealer over all the joints, and then that's that side done. Then we just have to cut out the other side. But yeah, I'm super happy with that. I mean, so much stronger. Obviously, got rid of all the rust, so that was actually a lot easier than I anticipated it to be. We got pretty much those two floor pans in. I just need to finish off that one there. Got the windscreen in yesterday afternoon. Got the dash all painted all nicely underneath the new windscreen there. And now I'm actually going to try and get these windows out so I can see what's going on behind there, because I have a feeling there might be some rust behind those, because I want to get this roof done in the next couple of days. So I'm going to pull one of these windows out and just see how I go, because someone has glued them in quite a bit, so we'll see how that goes. Right, so I just got the first window out. It was very hard because it had the original glue. I don't think they've ever been out. It had the original glue, then someone had pumped all clear around it, and then on top of that someone had pumped white Sikaflex, which is ridiculously strong. So I had to cut through all of that and then pry it out, but there is no rust in this first one. This whole thing I thought could have been rusted out in here, and especially at the top because of obviously how bad the gutters are, but no, it is actually all right. So I'm hoping that the other three are in the same condition. And yeah, we're just going to be able to clean up all the extra sealant that people had put on, glue it in with the correct glue, which is like a windscreen glue, which stays a little bit tacky. But it's going to make it so much easier for spraying as well. We'll just be able to mask that up, spray all this at once. It's also just going to make it a bit easier getting the roof off and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and then hopefully just pull out these other three. Hard work trying to separate all the glue that they've used, but I think I'm starting to get it free. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did it. I just need to do the front now. That's so cool. Alright, so I've just gotten the guttering off this side, and it's pretty bad. The whole roof structure on this side. Kind of need to remake the sheet that's actually behind the guttering. It's check this out, it's pretty bad. Worse, actually way worse than I thought. It's this bit here, that's actually the roof kind of structure. Yeah. Can't exactly just weld to that. And that is like, that outer skin is just gone. It's only this, I mean here, that whole back section there, this little middle bit's alright, the other side's fine. That's gonna need some serious fabricating. So before I put the guttering on this side, I just need to patch up a couple of spots where the rust was really bad and just strengthen it with some more sheet metal. So I'm going to go ahead and weld this plate in, another little one there. And there's actually a little spot on the inside that will need to be welded up as well. So I'll do that, and then I've got the guttering to put along this side. Then I just need to do the guttering at the back, seal up all the inside with some silicone so it's watertight, and inside the top of the gutter. And yeah, pretty much we should be ready to put the roof back on today. Stoked with the progress we made today. We got all of the new guttering on, painted, and I've just gone ahead and just put sealant along the bottom there, and then I've run out of sealant, so we're gonna have to put the roof on tomorrow because obviously we need to glue it all along the side there, and then you also need to seal inside the gutter where the two pieces meet. So tomorrow we will go and get some more sealant from Bunnings, and then tomorrow we'll put the roof back on. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I'm so stoked that I got the roof on. It's such a huge milestone. Next video is going to be painting. I'm going to be painting this in the next video. There's a couple little things I'll do off camera, finish off the rust repairs, and just kind of things that I've half done that you've kind of seen. I'm just going to tidy up some of the little rust repairs and get the bonnet done. That's just going to be a bit tedious, so I'm going to do that off camera. But the next video will be sanding down the car, Raptor coating it, getting the stickers on, putting the windows back in, all that kind of fun stuff. It's going to transform real soon, so I'm going to end the video here. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.